We got one. We get the money. We get the money. We get the moolah. We get the moolah. We get the peso. We get the peso. We get the netto. We get the netto. We get the skrilla. We get the skrilla. We hit the lotto. We hit the lotto. We get the bread.
Y'all, I'm installing a new wig. Make sure that y'all are subscribed to my YouTube channel. Okay, I'm vlogging. I actually had a recent passing in the family, and I just had to take a little mental break as well as physically, because I have kind of been like under the weather. But this is what she's looking like. I might go in and crinkle a little bit more, make them a little bit crisper. But yeah, and I worked out for a long time today. Like, I think I worked out for 2 hours, and I'll be trying to look like somebody. That's what she's looking like today. Kind of fluffy. Black ink crown. But yeah, I look kind of fluffy in the back. And I've been working out my lower legs and lower back. So yeah, I'm gonna I'm gonna show y'all the ending results. Okay, I'm cooking. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm cooking. I got 2 more hours and 39 minutes. I'm cooking it on high, and I'm actually cooking some oxtails. So that looks really good, really good. So when I get down to an hour, I'm gonna put on some rice, and then after I put on some rice, I'm gonna put on some cornbread. Well, I'm gonna put them both on at the same time. But yeah, these are my little, oh, those are so dry. These are my little chocolate candles. The one that I'm burning tonight is the third eye, and it's for wisdom and right vision. It's lavender and caramel. I also have the root chakra and the sacral chakra, and I take turns burning them. So the root is for energy and production. The sacral candle is for creativity and confidence. So yeah, I'm just waiting on this little part to dry up here in this lace. But I had bought some stuff, you guys. I know I haven't did my finished apartment tour yet, but I'm bringing everything closer together. So I'm getting even closer to being done decorating. And if y'all could see up here, come on, focus camera. Okay, y'all, so my camera wasn't focusing. This is what I have. It's going around my closet, and the idea that I had for this theme of the room is actually still in motion. It's still in play. And there was a hole in the wall. Well, like, somebody punched a hole in the wall. Y'all, I swear, I live in the hood, okay? Like somebody literally punched a fucking hole in the wall and they tried to patch it up. So I'm trying to cover this with that. That's why it's so low to this light switch right here. But that bit was clinging on to my weave the other day, so it might be a little too low. I might have to move it up some and just, I don't know what to do with the little punch hole right there. I just don't know. I live in a fucking hood, okay? So I'm here to finish installing my wig. Okay. Y'all see my crinkles fell? And they're so cute. Like, I like it better like this when they fall. I got it in a ponytail right now, but yeah, I've been sick. Like, I just get so depressed. This is my little outfit. I think this is so cute. Ow. 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 Excuse my trash can. As y'all can see, it's at maximum capacity. It needs to be taken out. But lately my camera has been having trouble focusing. I think I need to get one of those camera cleaning, well, the lens cleaning kits. I need to invest in one of those. But I just been like real laid back because I haven't been feeling good. But I love this hoodie. I got a blue one just like this. Like, it's just so cute. I got it from Route 21. And then these I got for my birthday. My auntie gave me these for my birthday. And they is just too cute. I love joggers. I love dressing comfortable and warm. So I just love it. And I do have a lot of black in my wardrobe. It's just kind of universal color. So yeah. But anyways, let me talk to y'all real quick. Your girl has been sick as fuck. Okay. I realize I've been trying to like overcome the cold or sickness or whatever. I realize I feel like I got the walk pneumonia, but I don't want to jinx myself. So with that being said, I just don't feel well. And my camera's fixing to die. But yeah, I just don't feel well, y'all. Like, I know I got some type of respiratory infection. Or sinus infection. And, like, as far as, like, my O2 levels, that is drastically affected when anything is interfering with my airways. So, as far as the sinus infection, you breathe through your nose. Respiratory, your lungs, basically, you know, that's how you breathe and get air into your blood system and all of that good stuff. But I've been taking all my multivitamins and I've been working out. I've been drinking plenty of fluid. So some days I have my good days, other days I have my bad days. For the most part, I'm just over this fucking cold or sinus infection. I'm just over it. And I'm hoping and praying that I don't have to go to the ER because I hate going to the fucking ER. The ER is just like, no. It's like hell, y'all. But, I got another week. Like, life has just been whooping my ass. I've been working on it. I've been dropping my videos or whatever. If y'all don't subscribe, make sure y'all subscribe. I've been dropping my videos, editing. Like, I've been working, y'all. I've been working, okay? And I got another week to do. I'm going to record for y'all. But it's kind of simple. It's not too dramatic. I was supposed to go to a party. I was supposed to go to a paint with a twist party. Didn't make it. I felt like shit. It was horrible. But I'm currently washing clothes. And it's cold as fuck outside. And I'm just exhausted. I just gotta keep it 100 with y'all. Like, I can't even come out here and act like everything is just fine and dandy. No, it's not. I feel sick as fuck. Life has been whooping my ass. I still manage to, like, work and, you know, get shit done. But overall, I'm just exhausted. I'm beat the fuck down. Like, I'm tired, y'all. I'm just real life fucking tired. Okay? But I love y'all. I'm gonna keep this thing going. Of course I'm gonna keep this thing going. This is like my passion. It's just kind of rough patch for me right now, y'all. So keep me in y'all prayers. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Okay? Bye. Love y'all.